Hello everyone, I am Divit Gupta and welcome to my show LiveLabs with Divit. Today on the show, I will briefly talk about Oracle's Converged Database and how you can leverage the Oracle Converged Database workshop available on Oracle LiveLabs. So let's get started.
Often enough, we're confused about choosing the right database that suits our application needs. Searching for the perfect database, finding it hard to choose between developer productivity and data productivity. Sometimes it's just hard to pick the right database for our application needs. Maybe a non-relational database. Maybe a relational database? What about graph? What about document database? No SQL? Key value? Maybe in memory? Curious about a database that is available on the cloud? I think it's time to talk about Oracle's Converged Database. A converged database is a database that has native support for all modern data types and the latest development paradigms built into one product. Converged databases support spatial data for location awareness, JSON for document stores, IoT for device integration, in-memory technologies for real-time analytics, and of course, traditional relational data. Converged databases can run all sorts of workloads from IoT to blockchain to analytics and machine learning. Converged database has some amazing features. It is multi-model, which means it provides native support for multiple types of data models and access methods, including cross-model and model-specific methods. It is multi-tenant, which means the database container architecture providing database consolidation, isolation, and agility is a part of this architecture. Multi-workload. Wide array of software optimizations that work alone or in conjunction to deliver exceptional price for performance across all types of database jobs. Whatever be your database requirement, I think we've got you covered. And a great way to learn more about Oracle's Converged databases is by leveraging Oracle's LiveLabs. Just go to the URL below and sign up. Once you open the URL, you will get to a page similar to this. Next, type and search for Converged Database in the search bar located on the top. Next, locate the Converged Database for developers on-premises lab and click on Launch. It will get you a page similar to this. Now there are ways to run this workshop. You can either launch free trial workshop, you can either do run on your tenancy, or you can reserve workshop on LiveLabs. It will be good to know what the lab workshop would cover. So, on the right side of the screen, look for Workshop Outline. First is Initialize Environment. Second, Node.js. Third, JSON. Fourth, XML. 5. Spatial. 6th. Graph. 7th. Cross data types. And 8th. ORDS as microservices.
In this video, we covered an overview of Oracle's Converged Database and how you can access Oracle LiveLabs. I will be walking through the Converged Database workshop available on Oracle LiveLabs in the second part of this video. Please feel free to reach out to me for any questions or feedback that you may have. Thank you for watching.